Good evening, everyone. My name is Yoshi Vats, and I am here to announce that we are starting a new batch for June 26 exam in Women's Studies paper. About myself, I have completed my master's in Women and Gender Studies and also have qualified UGC NET in December 2024. Talking about the foundational courses, we will be covering the syllabus for Women's Studies UGC NET prescribed syllabus from Unit 1 to Unit 10. And in that, हम लोग हर unit को लेंगे and also we will be solving each questions like previous year papers from unit wise, like topic wise, we will be solving those previous year papers. So let me give you an example. In my previous batch, I was teaching for December 25 exam. So in that हम लोगों ने like unit 1 complete किया. उसके बाद we were solving papers from for June 25 and December 24. So this was being done in the live class session as well. ठीक है? Apart from that, we have these recorded video lectures and it is uploaded on the portal. So just in case if you miss your classes, you can always refer to these lectures available on the portal. Also, the PDF material from for each unit from unit 1 to unit 10 is available on the portal and you can refer to those materials. The PYQ discussions, we will be taking it up in the class. You have a mock test available. So mock test, either it is unit-wise mock test or like a complete set of mock test. So like you can evaluate yourself either during your preparation. So if you finish like 2 units, you can go and solve those mock tests, or you can come like once we finish with the entire syllabus, you can always take up those mock tests which are available. Live doubt sessions. Please feel free to discuss all your doubts in the class and whatever जो भी आप लोगों को पूछना है. Current affairs, we will be taking up like the important current affairs which are exam related and also how to study them. That becomes very important so that you can also see like मुझे current affairs को किस तरीके से approach करना है. And it is available both on mobile and desktop. It's very convenient. Either if you are traveling, you can always refer to your portal, read the PDF material, or watch the recorded lectures, so on and so forth. Now, I will be starting my batch from 5th January 2026. This is a tentative date right now. We have our December 25 के जो papers हैं, which is scheduled on 2nd January 26, shift 2. ठीक है? So for that, पहले तो all the very best for those of you who are appearing for it. And also, it is a very good time to evaluate your preparation. So if you feel like you need a little more guidance, a little more mentorship, and so you are warmly invited to join us. For those of you who are completely new to this and you need कि कहाँ से शुरू करें, कैसे पढ़ना है, ये this foundation course, I believe it will be very helpful to you guys as well. So we have a number given on the screen. Please reach out to this number and we will guide you that how and when to enroll to this particular course. Okay. One suggestion, I would suggest that if you are planning to appear for June 26 exam and you are planning to take up this particular course, join us from the beginning. Because starting से एक flow होता है, there will be you will know because I've seen students in the previous batch जो काफी late से join किए थे and then they had their own struggles. So, with so much of limited time, it becomes difficult for me as well to guide you, to help you understand. So, the more early you join us, like starting up, okay, so we can take it up each day, every one step at a time. And I'm sure that by the time we complete this entire learning journey, it will be very helpful to you. I believe so. So I warmly invite each one of you who are planning to join up this course, please come with us, join us, and I am pretty sure that you will take something uh, concrete. It will be a very learning journey for you and very helpful for your UGC NET preparations. Okay. So I wish each one of you a very best, and I'll see you guys in the class. So thank you and wish you all the very best. Thank you, guys.